best things that I've been known for in my career is for setting a beautiful table. I've been able to share my tablescapes in Victoria Magazine, Southern Living, and countless others, and it's something I love to do. But when I'm creating a really elaborate, beautiful tablescape, I want to do myself a favor and keep the menu as simple but delicious as possible so that I'm not totally overwhelmed when I'm entertaining. So I thought it would be fun to show you a simple but delicious menu to go along with the beautiful Biscuit tablescape that I just showed you in those pictures. So what I've put together is a simple deli rotisserie chicken, easy to pick up at your local store, a wonderful spring mix of dressings, and some delicious bread like these beautiful petits croissants. But what's going to take this from to fabulous is the dressing. So I'm going to share with you a honey ginger dressing. This is also a delicious marinade. You can use it on chicken, pork, grilled vegetables. It's delicious in the summer season, and it's going to keep in your refrigerator for up to a month. So it's a great thing to have in your entertaining back pocket. And it's really, really simple to put together. To begin, you're going to need some ginger. Now, have you ever noticed when you're working with ginger that when you go to peel it, it's a real pain to try and peel the ginger? When you're cutting it with a knife, you're going to lose a lot of ginger. But I have a great spoon trick I want to share with you. You simply take a spoon in your hand, and then you're going to put your finger on it, and you're going to use the back of the spoon. And look, if you just rub on it, the skin of the ginger comes right off. You're not really losing any of that delicious ginger meat, if you will. And it's also not so dangerous because, gosh, using that knife like that, you could cut a finger if you weren't careful. So you want to just slide this right off. For this recipe, you're going to need about 2 teaspoons of ginger, which is about a 2-inch section of ginger. So get your skin off. Get your piece. We're going to use a blender. You can use a food processor, any kind of mixer that you have. That's all you need for this. Let's just get this last little bit off. And then I'm going to let the machine do the hard work of mixing this up for me. So I'm going to take the top off, get my knife. I'm going to just cut this piece of ginger. I'm going to cut it into a little bit of sections just to get it going. And then I'm going to drop that in the machine. I'm also going to take a teaspoon of minced garlic, which is the equivalent of 1 clove of garlic, and I'm going to drop that in. And I'm going to go ahead and let these get a jump start on mixing for me. All right. Next, I'm going to start adding my other ingredients. Now, for this, you want to have some lemon zest, so I'm going to go ahead and zest some of the lemon right into the mixer here, the blender, and get that in there. And next I need a tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 lemon has about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in it, so if I take half a lemon, I've got my 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to put that right in here. Give this a good squeeze. I'm at a little bit of an awkward angle here for you. And get that juice in there. Awesome. Okay. I love fresh lemon juice, especially in the summer months. I mean, any time of year it's wonderful, but in the summer it's just extra delicious. I'm going to drop in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Put that in there. A 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Pour that right in, and a 1/4 of a cup of honey, and you can eyeball this if you want to, or use a measuring cup. If you're going to use a measuring cup to put this in, I recommend spraying the measuring cup first with just a little bit of cooking spray. Then put your honey in, it'll slide right out. So easy. So handy tip for you. Then you can add salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to sprinkle in just a little bit of pepper, sprinkle that in there, and then I'm going to put the top back on my mixer and give that a quick little zhuzh, if I can get this on here right. Oh, yep, there we go. Give this a mix, and now, once that's ready, I'm going to start adding my olive oil, and I'm going to add it a little bit at a time. nice and thick and golden and beautiful. Perfect. Comes together that fast, that easily. It has this gorgeous golden yellow color. I love this, especially with the bee theme table that we had going. The honey, the ginger, it's so super yummy, and it's gonna be a delicious topping on our salad. And like I said, it's a great thing to keep on hand if you have unexpected company coming over. Pour that on some meat, some grilled vegetables, and you've got an easy meal.